Hello everybody, Colin here from iAppleReviews.com, and today I have a review on the Apple wireless keyboard. Sorry, it's kind of too big to fit all in the frame on my tripod, but there's a complete overview right there. So basically you can connect this keyboard to your Mac, or not PC, your Mac or your iPad or iPad mini, and you can use it to type on your iPad also. And some of the buttons on this keyboard will also work on the iPad, such as the eject button, which will bring the keyboard up, and the volume buttons also work. Play and pause, I think also work, but I'm not 100% certain on that. And you have your normal caps lock right there with the illuminating light on the key itself. And this keyboard takes two AA batteries right in there. Right here, you probably can't see it because I can't either. Right there is your LED indicator light. If it flashes rapidly, it does not have a connection. And there's chocolate on my desk if you saw my last video. There is no numerical pad on this keyboard. Hold on, the back's kind of dirty. You got your Apple logo right there. Your wireless, if it focuses, your wireless bar right here, so it can communicate in the metal aluminum, doesn't interrupt it. And you got all your specs, made in China stuff down there. So you can actually kind of see through it. If you look through the light, you can see the little dots where the keys actually are. So overall, it's a great keyboard. If it focuses, overall, it's a great keyboard. I use it every day. The battery is still at 100%. I've been using it since December 25th. It's now January 4th. And my computer's doing things because it's still paired with it. But overall, it's a great keyboard. I love typing on it compared to my wired keyboard with the numerical pad. It just seems faster. This keyboard seems like it has a little bit more of a click to it. I'm not sure if that's just because the back is different, like it's rounded up here. I think that might have something to do with the height of it, if that's even different. But overall, it's a great keyboard. I think they're $60, and I would recommend one if you would like to maybe carry it around in your bag or something to type on your iPad. But thanks for watching. This is Colin with iApple Reviews. Please check out iAppleReviews.com for the latest. Or if you have any questions, you can email me at colin@iAppleReviews.com. Thanks for watching.